What is up, everybody? So I'm just recording some of this stuff. We're practicing some braking and evasive maneuvers. I'm not exactly too sure what I'm doing, but we're working on it. And we were doing an advanced rider course. I don't know if I'm even going to be publishing my audio on this. I might just be taking B-roll. All right, here we go. So we're practicing emergency braking, which is nice to do. We got B-Wiser over here. He's out on here on his victory. So like I said, we're just practicing some emergency braking. I do not want to give out all the stuff that I'm doing here at this advanced rider course because, I mean, obviously this is their livelihood. And I'm just wanting to share with you guys kind of what we're doing. So this is just the very beginning. It's only 9 o'clock. We started at 8:30. We did some warm-ups on the tires. And I'm having a lot of fun. It's nice to see a bunch of different bikes out here. And like I said, this is the Advanced Rider Course 1 with the MSF. And we're practicing emergency braking on our bikes. I'm using my Sportster. B-Wiser up right here is using his Victory Octane, right? Right? Is it an Octane? I'm sure it's an Octane. Whatever. There's a Scout right there. They all look alike to me. They all have two wheels. Yeah, we're just having a good time. Just having a good time. I'm here to learn. That's the main thing. I don't want to be making a motovlog this whole time. I'm here to learn. And so I can give you guys the best I possibly can and show you guys, you know, a bunch of different stuff. So I got to go into second gear as fast as I can. There we go. I freaking love Steve. Guys, if you're out here in Tucson, and I believe they just started making some classes out here in Phoenix. I'm not saying out here because I don't live in Phoenix, but if they started making classes in Phoenix, and man, I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Trina and Steve are amazing. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit pause since you guys already know what this exercise is, and we'll go to the next thing.